Hey, this is Chris, and what I want to do in this video is give you a case study of using Video Marketing Blaster. Now, the case study that I'm going to be doing is on a keyword that's not very competitive at all, but it's going to show you the convenience of the software and what you can do with it, especially when you combine it with Live Event Blaster. Now, if you haven't purchased Video Marketing Blaster yet, Live Event Blaster is actually offered as one of the upsells. So I would highly recommend you pick that up because you're going to see what you can do with it here in just a minute. Okay, so under this video, I'm going to put a link where you can pick up Video Marketing Blaster. It'll actually take you to my website where you can get more details about it, as well as the upsells and Live Event Blaster and what it does. And there's going to be some bonuses on that page, and you guys can get those bonuses if you buy Video Marketing Blaster through my website, which I believe it's only going to be around $25, $27, something like that for this tool. Okay, so here we are inside of Video Marketing Blaster, and what I done is I went in here, done a really quick campaign. I basically done a search for video marketing in West Virginia, and it gave me all these keywords here, and you can see there's just tons and tons of keywords that we can use. And over here we can find out what the competition is on them, and it's going to show us the competing videos on YouTube. And so what I done is I took one of these keywords and I went over to video details and I done some search on it. So I searched for West Virginia Video Marketing Services. So instead of targeting an actual city, I targeted the entire state. And you can see here that it was able to put this title together for me. It put this description together for me, and it also put these tags together for me. And what I done was I took all this information and I put it into my Live Event Blaster software. Now, what Live Event Blaster does is it live streams videos to your channel. So it integrates with your Google API, and so all you have to do is go in here, and when you set up one, you're going to put in the title, which is exactly what I got from here, the title, description, and tags. I just pasted them in here. And then my main keyword, the stream date, I created a small thumbnail for it. I have a video file on video marketing that I'm using for this, and I set it to go in my account for MOV Outdoors. Now pay attention to that because you're going to see why here in just a little bit. And then what I done was I streamed it. Okay, now you can see here that I streamed it at 8:48, and it's 9:07 right now. So it's been like 20 minutes or so. And so what I'm going to do is show you the results of this. And then what I done too, and you can see another one down here. All I done here was I duplicated this first one and made another copy of this, and I just changed the keyword to my city, which is Parkersburg Video Marketing Services. And so it's really easy just to click here, duplicate, create a different keyword to use, and upload that one and try to rank for it using a live event. And so here's my results. If you search for Video Marketing Services in YouTube, you're going to see MOV Outdoors. This is the channel I used, 8:48 a.m. And you can see here West Virginia Video Marketing Services right here, my live event. And then this is the other one I done for Parkersburg Video Marketing Services, which is also here on the top of YouTube. Now if you go to Google, you can see here West Virginia Video Marketing Services. The video is #1 in only 5 minutes, and it is listed on here for West Virginia Video Marketing Services, which is absolutely amazing. And then even if you search for this keyword here, Beckley Video Marketing Services, my video comes up because I used in my description of Live Event Blaster. Let me go back to here, and this was under the West Virginia one. If I go to edit, you'll see right here where I used the keyword Beckley, West Virginia in my description, and it picked that up and it actually ranked my video in Google for that one as well. So this also goes to prove, to show you guys that the keywords and information you put in your description, YouTube does read that, and it will rank your videos based upon the content you have in your description, which is why it's critical to make sure that you properly optimize your videos, which is what Live Event Blaster helps you to do. And so once you have that done, you can put these up all day long, and so you can just rank for video after video after video. And let me just give you an actual live example here. Let me go back to Live Event Blaster, and let's I already duplicated this one. Let me go in here and edit it, and let's change this from Parkersburg to, let's just say, Charleston. So Charleston is the capital of West Virginia. And so let me just do this right here, change out a few of these. And then this one here. And then the keyword, got to change that out. And then the main keyword. So the main keyword we're going to rank for in this one is Charleston, West Virginia Video Marketing Services. I'm going to leave everything else the same thumbnail, same everything, same account. And that's how easy and fast it is to update it on here, and click Edit Item. And I'm going to update and upload the published item. Okay, now it's only going to take about 20 seconds or so, and it's going to have this video posted. We're going to wait for it to finish uploading, then we're going to check YouTube and see how long it takes for it to rank in YouTube. Normally it takes just a little bit longer for it to rank in Google than in YouTube, but let me go over here to my incognito window. And let me go here and grab the keyword. Copy it. Oops. Let's go and close out of all that and see what we got. There it is already. So in a matter of like 30 seconds, you can see the Charleston, West Virginia video at the top of YouTube. And then here's the other one that I've done for West Virginia Video Marketing Services. And then there's the other one for Parkersburg Video Marketing Services. And so that's how easy it is to recreate these and upload them. Now, it's probably not on Google just yet. It can take a couple minutes to show up there. Okay, it's not here yet. So, oh, here's actually a video I had on my account where it looks like, no, this is the same video. It didn't use my thumbnail though. You can see here 1 minute ago, MOV Outdoors, but for some reason it didn't use my thumbnail for this video. But you can see here, less than 1 minute, we are on page 1 of Google for the keyword that I wanted to rank for. Let me try this again, see if that thumbnail, for some reason it's not using that thumbnail for this. So, but anyways guys, that's how easy it is to use Video Marketing Blaster to get proper optimization for keywords you want to rank for. And of course it does more than that, and if you watched my previous video, I kind of went through all these tabs. So your keyword's going to do all your keyword research for you. Your details is where it's going to gather all the details up, and there's other things you can do here I'm not going to go through right now that allows you to create templates. And if you create templates, it's going to allow you to do some pretty amazing things, especially with Live Event Blaster that'll integrate it, and you can really pump out some videos using this thing that are well optimized and just rank after rank after rank. And then also if you upgrade to the Pro version, it'll also give you some details about your competition. It'll analyze the keywords. It'll show you everything about the competing videos, and it'll also show you a ranking report here, which is really cool because it goes over and breaks down everything, shows you what you need to rank for. And then also if you're competing for more competitive search terms, just for a crazy example, weight loss, there's going to be a ton of backlink resources listed here that you can click on to get do follow backlinks from websites that are related to weight loss. Now obviously West Virginia Video Marketing Services is you know, not a very competitive keyword, so it's not finding much that I can use to get backlinks from, which is why nothing's there. But if you watched my other video that I uploaded just the other day, there's a lot of them on there for that one. And then you got your rank tracker, which you can add new videos in here and it will track your rankings for you, so you don't have to pay a subscription fee to some other company of 40, 50, 80 bucks a month or whatever it is they cost. I know they're outrageous. So I recommend Video Marketing Blaster. Like I said, it's going to be around $25, maybe $27, something like that. And then there's the upsell. The price of that's going to be on my website. The link's under this video. And then the Live Event Blaster is also going to be an upsell, totally different software, which I showed you. And there's so many things you can do with this too. You can add all different kinds of accounts on here. On your settings, you're going to enter your client ID, your secret, your API key. It gives you options here on things you can do. And then once you have all your accounts, you can just start adding all these videos or importing all the data from Video Marketing Blaster into Live Event Blaster and just getting the videos ranked one after another. So that's my review of Video Marketing Blaster and also using it with Live Event Blaster. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please visit my website. The link's under this video. You can get more details about it. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and you will get notified when I make new videos and upload them to my channel. So that's it for now. Thanks, guys.